How to fix iPhone freezing or stopping randomly. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First and the foremost thing that you can do is to check your software update. Launch the Settings app and tap on General and then on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version for the apps to perform smoothly. Next, clearing storage is another effective way to fix a freezing iPhone. Start by deleting unused apps and files to free up space. You can also use the iPhone's built-in tools to optimize storage. So, in general, again, tap on iPhone storage to see recommendations for saving space. Next, force quit all the apps running in the background by simply swiping up and exiting the app. Next, in Settings again, tap on General and scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your Face ID or passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings. Nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now. And finally, if all else fails, a factory reset might be necessary. This will erase all your data on your iPhone and return it to its original state. So, before doing this, make sure to back up your data. To perform a factory reset, go to Settings and tap on General and then on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then on Erase all content and settings and follow the prompts. So this is how you can fix iPhone freezing or stopping randomly. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.